Greetings, YouTube, and I hope you are well. This is an unboxing. It's a surprise unboxing. I haven't told anybody about this. So I ordered this from a feller that I know over in Texas. And I bought this for someone else because I need a playmate. Nevertheless, let's get on with it. I'm gonna get on with it. It's gonna be a real quick video. Go ahead and pop this open. Let's see what we got here. So I got a bunch of packing material. A bunch of packing material. I was told one time that if I had something, somebody got me into this, that I needed to give it away. Drone Worship told me that. Found somebody that wanted to fly, and I'm trying to take care of them. Dan, look what I got. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did it. It is the Parrot Bebop 2. So, what this guy sent me, I got 4 new blades from Parrot. It says Parrot on it right there. I've got a box that has all the essential other stuff in it. And the piece de resistance is this right here. This is a sky controller. I've been wanting one of these for quite a little while. I bought this stuff for a good friend of mine by the name of Dennis. He's been really good to me. He's more like a brother to me. Whenever I need anything or can help somebody, or he's always there, always. This also goes with the sky controller. This is your great big antenna that goes out here on the top of it. I know better than to power that thing on without that antenna. So if any of y'all don't know about that, do not power on any of your equipment that has an antenna without the antenna being hooked up to it. You'll burn everything up inside. You don't want to do that. So make sure you always hook up your antennas before you hook into anything like a controller or a drone or anything. Like I said, I got this for my good friend Dennis. I'm hoping to maybe put a little change in his life. I'm very, very excited about it. I think I'm more excited about it than he is. Nevertheless, there it is. I wanted y'all to see what I got in the mail today, and I can't wait to get it in the air. It's going to be a little while probably before we can get it in the air, just because it's raining here. It's nasty weather, what have you. So I'm gonna box this up, and I'll probably take it over to its new owner's house this evening, and I'm gonna lay it on him. I'm gonna see what he says. I'm gonna walk through the rules and the regulations, and I was really happy that I was able to do that for him. I didn't mean to hit the camera. Sorry, guys. I was really happy that I was able to do it for him. I believe in the RC community. If you can bring new people in and they really want it, we should urge them. That's why I did it. Nevertheless, I hope you're all well, and I hope you have a great day. This is the Silvertop Flyer with a new Bebop 2 unboxing. Y'all have a great day.